Yo, what's up guys? Today I've got a really cool recipe for you. It is Keto Tiramisu coffee drink. Oh yeah, so good. So it's basically coffee, tiramisu, and this keto version, so who the hell would not like that? Or maybe a few people wouldn't, but anyway, that is not the point. The point is, this is freaking lovely, and is a change to your normal drinks that you probably have, and I'm going to tell you how to make it now. So, let's get tiramisu keto coffee making! Wash! Okay guys, here we go. Here's our ingredients to make our lovely keto tiramisu drink. Okay, so obviously we got some coffee, we got some mascarpone, fresh whipping cream, some hazelnut essence and some rum essence. Sometimes I use almond, I think that's probably better, but I've run out unfortunately. So hazelnut is still pretty good. Some sweetener of your choice, and here's some cocoa powder. Okay, so there's our ingredients, and now let's get tiramisu drink making. Yeah. Okay, here's our blender, and we're going to add around about 1/4 of the packet of the tiramisu. So here we go, in like that. Here is our mug of brewed coffee. I'm not giving you instructions on how to make a brewed coffee, because I'm pretty sure you know. Anyway, we're just going to add that now into the blender. Dosh, like so. Sweeteners in like that, or any other way you want to do it, as long as you put it in there. And some whipping cream, just put a blob in like so, as much as you'd like. I probably put in a couple of tablespoons, so there you go. Hazelnut essence, rum essence. And here we're just going to take a spoonful of, or about half a spoon of the cocoa powder. Wash, like so. And I'm going to make this one a cold one, so we're just going to add a few ice cubes as well. Here we go, sound effects as well, guys. Dosh. Pew. And there we go. It doesn't look that good at the moment, but trust me, it is friggin' lovely. Now we are just obviously going to blitz it all up. Yeah. Bosh! There we go. Make sure you get a nice glass. Now for the pouring. Shake that out. Finishing touches, we're just gonna add some cream on top. Bosh! Followed by a sprinkling of cocoa powder. Yeah. And there you go, guys. Check that out. A nice alternative to bulletproof coffee or cream tea or whatnot. Tiramisu keto coffee drink. Yeah. Yo guys, okay, here we go, our lovely keto tiramisu coffee. And I'm just gonna have to film this bit again because I tried it and I had huge amount of like cocoa powder all around my mouth and I look ridiculous. Anyway, let's put this to a taste test. And I'll try not to get chocolate on my mouth this time, like a complete mong. Oh yeah, oh that is freaking yummy. Please give this a go, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more recipes and vlogging and all of that malarkey. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care and stay cool. Chicky chicky pal. Oh man, freaking hell, I can't stop sweating. I am sorry. It's so freaking hot in Thailand. Ah.